Hey guys, Henry here. Welcome back to Henry's Ad Lab channel. So in this video, I'm just going to be quickly showing you guys how I create some ads that perform well on Pinterest with the help of Canva and ChatGPT. So if you're curious about creating some ads that are likely to perform well on Pinterest, then make sure to subscribe. Let's get right into it. So I'm here on my website. What I usually do is first I click on the plain product itself without the mockup. I do a screenshot and upload the screenshot to ChatGPT right here. You can see I already have the text already. I think I might even add the size of the wall art should be 40 by 60 inch. So as you can see, my prompt was create a luxury living space that will match or complement this wall art design. Make sure the size of the design conforms to the recommended Pinterest art size. So for Pinterest, I think the aspect ratio is usually 2:3 or 1000 by 1500 pixels. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, so 1000 by 1500 pixels. So that's it. And yeah, sometimes you need to be really detailed about your prompt because sometimes ChatGPT can go off what you asked it to actually craft or design for you. So that's why you see I'm a bit detailed. So I'll click send, and now wait. So it's designing. Voila, there you have it. So now that's the design, but looking at the whole design, it's not really 1000 by 1500, but we'll just go ahead and design it and find a way to crop it there. So now we've downloaded it with this button here, and we go to Canva. All I have to do is on the search and Pinterest static ads. So click on this one, for example, and you have like some Canva templates already made here. So you can choose anyone. I'll just go with, say, this one, and I'll choose another one actually. So some of the, just for your information, some of the templates are actually pro, like for premium users. So if you have Canva Pro subscription, then you can edit these templates and also download them, but without them you can't download. You can edit, but you can't download the templates unless you have a premium subscription on Canva. And I also forgot to mention, so on ChatGPT as well, you have like the plus version, like a premium version, which you pay monthly for 23. So with this 23 euros per month, you are able to create as much prompts on ChatGPT as you want. But if you have the free version, I think you're only allowed to create 3 prompts per day. So I would recommend, if you are going to be running ads consistently and changing ad creative, then it's best for you to have the ChatGPT Plus. So I'll click on this, add creative, yes, customize template, and it will. So now it has loaded, and we click on the uploads, click on upload file, and here it is. This is obviously not 1000 by 1500 pixels, but we'll resize it here on Canva, or we'll adjust it to the shape here. So I'm just gonna first of all delete these ones because I don't need them. So I'll try again. Okay, seem to be missing it. Drag. Okay, now we have it. Yeah, So that's it. And what I can do here is change this. I can add, like, sometimes maybe an element, say frame or shape. Shape should be better. I'll resize it, something along this line. Bring it down here. Make it dark. Color. Okay. So I'll just group them. So just group them. For example, you can change the fonts depending on the fonts you want. I think I quite like this font here, so I'm just going to leave this font and go back to my uploads and look for one of my products. Design, maybe done. So I'm going to use probably this one. I'll drag it, just make it a little bit smaller, to this side. Yeah, sometimes you might want to zoom in a little bit to make sure you cover all those edges. Yes, right. So we zoom out. Alright, so I group these ones. Okay, I'm just going to regroup them quickly again, and okay, so now it should be grouped, so you can drag them to any position, and there you go. Once you're done, I just download them, and PNG of course, and that's it. So the ads is ready. So basically this is what it looks like. This is just like a rough walk. I just wanted to show you guys how I use ChatGPT and Canva to actually create these designs. And if you have other suggestions, if you've also been designing, just comment below and let's discuss. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.